Okay, port torpedo. Someone's got to catch because it keeps on running, so you have to get in the water to pick
We'll
it
shoot
up.
for this hole right here.
You put down your. Okay, you guys
I'm
ready?
gonna take a video. Yeah.
Okay, here goes our port torpedo. Good port. I don't know if it's my good fish or my bad fish. Here we go. Far away. Oh shit.
Oh, there it goes.
You lost the torpedo.
Where'd it go?
It dove.